Welcome back. Today I will be making a bean soup in the crock pot. It's very easy to do in the morning before you go to work, and when you get home from work it's ready to eat. So all you need is 10 cups of water, 18 ounces of your favorite beans. It could be pinto beans, black beans, red beans. You can use any kind of bean of your choice. The only thing you have to do the night before is you have to rinse off your beans in a colander, and once you rinse the beans in the colander, then you put the beans in another pot and you fill it up to the top with some water. Put the lid in on top of the pot, and then you put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then the next morning when you're ready to make your meal, it'll be ready to go. The other thing that you will need is 2 cups of diced carrots, 1 cup of celery diced, 2 medium potatoes diced, 1 small onion diced, and you will also need 2 cactus leaves, 1 can of 26 ounces of tomato soup. And once you put all the ingredients into your crock pot, and then you will cook it on high for 9 hours. So now I am going to proceed and putting all my ingredients into the crock pot. The first ingredient would be my red beans. Then I will add the cactus leaves. Next ingredient would be the celery and the diced carrots. Next would be the 1 small onion diced. Then I'm going to add the diced potatoes. I put 2 potatoes in here, so they're pretty good size of potatoes. And then I'm going to add my tomato soup. The last thing would be the 10 cups of water. Okay, I added my 10 cups of water. So now I have all my ingredients in my crock pot. So now I am going to cook it on high for 9 hours. And then I will be back in 9 hours and I will show you how this really delicious soup came out. Okay, it's been boiling for several hours now. And I'm going to scoop the soup out of my crock pot. And now you can enjoy your soup with some bread or a biscuit. And keep checking back to my channel because I will be making more videos on cooking and crocheting. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you then. Enjoy your bean soup.